Hi, this is David and Kelly, and welcome to our home. So Kelly, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, it's that time again. It's time for the big question. Well, this week people are writing us saying that they're looking to buy a home later this year, maybe next, but what should they be doing now to plan, if anything?
Well, you know, the first step I'm going to suggest is to contact your local real estate professional. And the reason behind that is because any good realtor is going to have a toolbox full of what you need. That's one of the things that he or she brings value to you with. And after that, that realtor will probably direct you to a local mortgage lender. The reason that's one of the first calls you make is because there's so many strategies getting ready to buy a house. Like, for example, should I pay this debt off or should I save? Well, a mortgage lender is going to tell you where, what's the best use of your money over the next couple of months or, 6 months or a year, whatever. Also, they can tell you where your credit score is. Sometimes if there's a need, a change, it takes some time to make that change. So they could kind of recommend what to do in that. Just kind of to get you ready for whenever the time comes to be approved for a loan. You just want to be able to tick all the boxes that you need. So yeah, I would say, it's never too early to contact somebody and get that ball rolling.
Okay, great. Well, that's a lot of good information to kind of help put a plan in place. Well, we appreciate your information, your feedback. If you have a topic for another series, feel free to leave us a message down below. We would love to hear your feedback. Well, thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for the next big question.
See ya.